In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD. We're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and approaching to overbought condition with the RSI. We have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $25.46. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $21.80, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.45. My stop loss is at $21.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.94. My sell target is at $22.38, and my stop loss is at $24.54. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade idea? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, and as we progress to the 5th day of wicked trading, silver futures has a 46% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, and 8% chance to climb between 5 to 9%. To the downside has a 38% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and an 8% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.